Hello, Johan speaking here from SMT today. I'm standing here with Ernie Grice from Ersa Technologies. Thank you very much for taking your time. I mean, today is the setup time for the booth and so on. Just Ernie, if you can just give me some rundown on what you're showing at the stand and what's new really, please.
Basically, we're showing our full range of product, which is selective soldering systems, wave solder machine, reflow ovens, BGA rework systems, and hand soldering tools. So we're covering all of that here at the booth, and showing some new products as well, which is the SmartFlow 2020 new selective soldering machine.
So if you can just give me a description then on the Ersa SmartFlow new machine that you have to stand by here now. Give me some rundown on the features, please.
Well, I mean, for us, you know, the SmartFlow, we tried to get to that sub $100,000 market.
Okay.
And without compromising the process, right? So anybody can make a cheap machine, but you've got to make a machine that's cost-effective, that works. And we did that with the SmartFlow 2020. Basically, all the core technologies that we have in our high-end VersaFlow platforms are still in this platform as well. It's just a smaller footprint, one PCB at a time, but still integrating the core Ersa technology.
And the machine itself, I mean, is that targeted to a certain market, or can anybody buy it?
I mean, anybody can buy it, but it's really, you know, would be a prototype type machine, or, you know, companies who are doing low volume type work or cell concept manufacturing. This would be a great machine for them.
Okay, sounds great. And Apex this year, for instance, is that compared to maybe last year, you're looking forward to this more than last year, or is it going to be better? Or?
Well, I mean, I think so. I think this year will be a better show. You know, all of our businesses, we've just been growing and growing and growing. So year after year, record sales for Ersa, and we see that continuing this year as well. I mean, we're cautiously optimistic, let's say.
Sounds great. Yeah, and I've been looking around here. There seems to be that people talking that they're looking forward to this year, and then more people will come and for the exhibition, so to speak.
Yeah.
Is that the same belief that you have?
Absolutely. So we're looking for record numbers to come in, and you know, it doesn't matter for us the attendance. You know, they could have 10,000 people come through the door. You know, and if we get 2 leads, it doesn't matter. But you know, we will get a lot of activity at our booth, as we always do.
And if you look on your market, for instance, is there any market that's doing better than other markets, or is it the same all over?
You know, it's pretty broad. I mean, automotive is still strong, and that's great because we're very strong in automotive. Contract manufacturing companies, we're also very strong with them, and they are definitely in a good position. Industrial, military, aerospace, they're all strong right now, so we're very thankful.
Yeah, that sounds great. So you have covered everything that everybody else also tried to do in some way.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So is there anything else that's specific for this machine that you think that would be the key benefits for people?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it's this machine, you know, some of the smaller machines, the smaller, cheaper machines, so to speak, you know, they're built cheaply. This is built Ersa tough, right? So it's built like a tank. Yeah. But it can also some of the lower end machines, you know, the smaller the price point, the lower the boards, the smaller the board size. Yeah, okay. So this machine can do a 20 by 20 inch board, which is respectable. So it has a large board footprint, drop jet fluxing. You know, X, Y, and Z capability from a solder pot with electromagnetic pumping system, top and bottom preheating, all the goodies, all the bells and whistles that people are used to when they come to buy an Ersa high-end, top-quality machine.
Sounds really, really fascinating. And I hope the best for the future and best for this show. And thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you. Thank you.